Welcome back. I wasn't actually planning to make a microphone comparison, but lately I got a really similar looking Rode video micro type microphone called the Feelworld Fm8. And actually I got another vlogging kit with the Mirfak from Gudsen. So I decided to make a small little comparison in this studio environment. And if you want to find out more about camera related gear and microphones, there are a lot of YouTube reviews that I made in the past, and you can find them in the link in the description. And also you can find the links for these three microphones, so you can check them right now and see which one best fits for you. The links will be the first three also in the description. Okay, so the first one is the Feelworld Fm8 universal directional microphone that came in this great box. The other is the Mirfak Vlogging budget microphone that you get in the kit with the Mirfak Gudsen Moza vlogging kit. So I wanted to compare them and if they can match the Rode Video Micro for a cheaper budget price. The Feelworld looks actually almost identical to the Rode Video Micro in size and actual all-body design. The Mirfak has a slightly bigger metal element in front, and actually it has a red finish with it. With all the three microphones you get detachable coiled TRS cables. With the Rode Video Micro you will get a soft, bigger windshield that I like to call Dead Cat. With the Feelworld you will also get actually a similarly designed Dead Cat with soft foam in it and actually an added smaller foam so you can use it in less windy situations and studio environment like this. With the Mirfak you also get the Dead Cat and a smaller wind foam. Shock mounts. With the Feelworld you actually get another red shock mount included in the box. With the Mirfak you get just one shock absorber. With the Rode Video Micro you get the Lyre shock absorber. And when comparing to the cheaper variants, well, this seems a better thing. And actually yes, it's double the price of these two. So understandably this makes a better shock absorber than this too. I will now connect this microphone on my boom pole microphone stand and actually straight to my Sony a7 III and test them with the windshield on and without the windshield. Let's go straight to the test. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Rode Video Micro connected straight to my Sony a7 III with the Dead Cat windshield on. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Rode Video Micro connected straight to my Sony a7 III without the windshield on. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Feelworld Fm8 microphone connected straight to my Sony a7 III without the Dead Cat mounted on. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Feelworld Fm8 microphone connected straight to my Sony a7 III with the windshield on. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the Mirfak Vlogging Kit microphone connected straight to my Sony a7 III without the windshield Dead Cat on it. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a Mirfak Vlogging microphone connected straight to my Sony a7 III with the windshield Dead Cat on. As I'm not a master audio engineer and this room is not soundproof, I will let you decide which one fits the best for you. With $99 you can actually get a complete vlogging setup with the mic included, and also you will get a smartphone cage for additional stuff mounted on. You will also get an extending pole and a small tripod stand and actually a small Lume cube light. For just $30 you can get the Fm8 Feelworld microphone with an additional shock mount and actually the additional TRS cable for your smartphone. For around $55 at the time of filming of this video you can get the Rode Video Micro with just one cable. There is no TRS, you have to purchase it separately and with just one Dead Cat on it. Let me hear from you guys which one sounded the best in the comment section down below. And until the next time, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.